Okay, it's 2 o'clock. Let's get started. So today we're gonna introduce our Hugolog smart locks. And my name is Sean. And if you have any question regarding the access control intercom smart locks, you can give me a call. My extension is the 231. And at the end of this webinar, we're gonna have a lucky draw. And let's talk about the specs. We have 4 different models. You can see here HU01, 02, 03, and 04. And let's see, what's the difference between those 4 smart locks? Regarding this HU01, and that one is a deadbolt lock, okay? And the 01, 03, 04 are all deadbolt lock. And 02 is the latch bolt. So that's the main difference. And 01 and 02 are like a local passcode unlock only. You cannot connect to your phone. So for the 03 and 04, there is ability to connect to your phone by the Bluetooth. Okay. The maximum range of the Bluetooth is 50 feet. If you want to control the smart lock remotely, like using the Wi-Fi, you have to have this GX hub, Bluetooth hub. This hub will connect to the smart lock by Bluetooth, and also at the same time, this hub will connect to your home Wi-Fi. So your Wi-Fi will connect your smartphone directly. So you can change the passcode. Okay, you can create a temporary passcode, or you can change the passcode by using the View or Hugolog Connect app. Okay. And let's talk about the GX, the HU01 first. Okay. Let me play this video first, and you will see how to install this HU01, and also how to change the configuration of this lock. Okay, this picture will show what's inside the box. And inside the box, there will be a template. So it's more convenient to cut your door. So in this part is tell you how to configure this HU01. Okay, so when you first time to set up this smart lock, you need to change the master pin for at the very beginning. Okay, so the next video gonna show you how to install the HU003. Okay, when we talk about the installation, there will be no like significant difference between the HU01 and the 03. So let's go forward. Let's go forward to directly see because the main difference between the HU01 and the HU03 is that you will have the smartphone connectivity by the HU03. So let me see. Okay, in here. After you install this the smart lock and download the LaView app, and you can add this smart lock on your smart device. Okay, you can lock it and you can open the door by using your app. Okay, and you can add new users and you can add a new PIN code. The PIN code gonna be 4 to 10 digit password. You can use this new PIN code to unlock the door. You also can adjust the auto relock duration. Okay, after 10 seconds, it will auto relock. Okay. So in this video, it's gonna show you how to connect the HU03 to the hub Bluetooth, okay? When your customer want to like remotely control the smart lock, you're gonna need that white hub. Okay, First step, to reset this smart lock. And the Bluetooth is gonna turn on for 5 minutes. And then add the smart lock to your mobile app by Bluetooth. Okay, smart lock successfully loaded. Now you should be able to locally check the battery, lock, and unlock the smart lock. Okay, and be sure that it is in the 50 feet. Okay, no longer than 50 feet. And you can create like a different level of this shared users by family or others. Okay, you can check record on your smart device. You can change the key tone. Key tone means when you press that physical button, it will ring. Okay. Now we are going to pair this small hub to the smart lock. First, give it power. And then you need to use your phone to connect this this hub Wi-Fi. And don't connect to the 5 gigahertz, okay? 2.4 only. And then go back to the LaView app and select the gateway. And hold this reset button for 5 seconds. And let's see, this red light is rapidly flashing. And then you will add this gateway on your cell phone. And after that, and connect this smart lock to the small hub. Okay, after that, you can remotely control this smart lock. And the last video is the troubleshooting smart locks. Installation easy first. Yeah. After the installation, make sure that it will goes up. Okay. If there's no light, make sure that cable is connected. Yeah. And for this smart lock, you can only use one-time battery. The rechargeable battery is not allowed. It could cause the malfunction to your locks. Okay. When there is no response to your locks, please check the battery. Okay. Hold the reset button and put the last battery in. Here's a programming issue. When you reset your smart locks, the default path, the master pin is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after the reset, the factory reset, you need to reset the pin, like change the pin code, master pin code at the first time. If you don't do that, the smart lock will not allow you to do anything else. You can add a new pin code, and also you can delete the pin code. Okay. You cannot add a forward number sequentially. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 3, 2, 1. That is not allowed because it's too easy. And with the repeating number will be not allowed too. You can unlock the smart lock by holding any numbers for 2 seconds. Or you can turn on the auto relock function. If you have HU02, this is a latch bolt smart lock. You can unlock the door by pushing the lever. So hold any button for 2 seconds, it will lock. Or turn on the relock function. The third option gonna be using your smart device. You can change the local auto lock delay time from 10 to 3 minutes, 10 seconds to 3 minutes. Okay, right now it's talking about the pairing issue. Turn on the Bluetooth. Press the reset button. The lock gonna be in pairing mode for 5 minutes. And after that, you can connect to your smart device. Yeah, there will be a range of the Bluetooth. So you'd better not go over the 50 feet. And 33 feet is the optimal range. And if you want to control your smart lock remotely, you need to have a hub. Right now, it's talking about the sharing issue. So if you don't have a hub, you're gonna use your Bluetooth connected to your smart lock. And at that time, Bluetooth can only connect to one device. So the Bluetooth gateway is required if you want to control multiple devices. When the logo is flashing red, and it means that your battery life is under 20%. So please change the battery as soon as possible. Yeah, HU01002 has a backup key, so you can unlock the door, even the batteries run out. Okay, at each of the device, there will be a micro USB port. So when the batteries runs out, you can connect to that micro USB. Okay, today if you wanna order our smart locks, you're gonna receive that 15% off plus free for AA batteries, and it only valid today, and while quantities last. Okay, so last we're gonna do a lucky draw. Okay, is there any questions? Okay, if you don't have any questions, thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.